आधे घंटे से चल के आ रहे थे ओनली टू दिस। By this intro, I already know 90% of you have already guessed it. Yes, I'm going to Delhi. And I'm going here for a special occasion. Say hi to my travel partner. ये नहीं, ये. Almost 2 hours 40 minutes में हम पहुंच गए थे दिल्ली.
धन्यवाद. Ladies and gentlemen.
So as you've seen my travel partner, let me tell you, I was here with some of my seniors as well as juniors. So we all had come here to attend the Pierre Fortune Academy Awards because we were awardee of the event. By the time we arrived in Delhi, it was not even proper afternoon, but the heat was unbearable. So for our stay, we had booked an Airbnb for all 4 of us. तो मैंने एक होम टूर भी निकाला था, ये देखो. He is my junior from my school also. I got to know right now.
It was very surprising to get to know that she was my school का senior.
Yes.
मतलब कॉलेज में भी senior, स्कूल में भी senior.
और पता चल रहा है अभी. He also makes pretty cool videos. बहुत एस्थेटिक हो गया. Now let's come to the real part of us. Now let's see my room. Ta-da! Anjali, can you please give us a room tour? Oh my god, so cute.
Okay.
शुरू होते हैं.
Iron.
Okay.
What is this called? Iron stand.
हाँ.
That is my 1 month का suitcase for 3 days. This is also very cute suitcase.
Oh,
इतना
actually.
actually लेना है. इतना
नहीं,
लेके आई
एक्चुअल
हूँ.
में उतना यूज होगा गाइस, इतना में कुछ नहीं होगा.
कुछ यूज नहीं होगा उसमें. Not even one pair I'll wear. I'll end up wearing same t-shirt jeans every day.
नहीं.
That is washroom. Washroom is very nice.
हाँ, वॉशरूम इज प्रीटी क्लीन. मैं बार बार प्रीटी बोल रही हूँ.
What's it thing?
चलो चलो देखते हैं.
No.
नो, हमारा पचका हो गया. ये वर्क नहीं हो रहा है. या वेरी क्यूट. एंड ये है हमारा बेड जहाँ मैं सोऊंगी, अंजलि सोएगी. और ये साइड टेबल. एंड ये है हमारा रूम. तो हमारे पास काफ़ी टाइम था बाहर घूमने जाने को. तब तक हमें बस खेलना था. तो नाउ अंजलि विल टेक वीडियो ऑफ माइन एंड वील रिपीट द सेम थिंग. सो एन्जॉय.
This is my friend Asta. Say hi, Asta.
Hi.
Okay, so what do you have to say?
This is our room and it's good. That's all.
False lighting, false ceiling, let's go. His biggest plus point is this.
AC.
Thank God. In Delhi mein, please.
But now one more plus point is we have ordered pizza and we are going to chill. उसके बाद Red Fort and then
India Gate. See you there. See you there.
Bye. Okay. Bye. तो हमारा ऑर्डर आने ही वाला था. एंड लाइक एवरीवन, आई कांट ईट विदाउट वाचिंग टीवी. One more thing I would like to tell you guys is this PFA. This is like the Nobel Prize of dentistry. सो यू नो एक एक फील्ड में भी एक एक अवार्ड का बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस रहता है. वैसे ये जो PFA का अवार्ड्स है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है डेंटिस्ट्री में, तो इट्स गुड इफ़ यू गेट वन. I'm ready guys, so this is my outfit and this is my makeup. Wait. This is my stack. We are at Qutub Minar. Yay! So हम कुतुब मीनार देखने आए हैं guys, and this is my very first time in Delhi. So this is very pretty, है ना अंजलि? So pretty. I love this view. बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत नीट है, इतना नीट है. Roads are also so wide and so neat, very nice. No, Bangalore से इधर आके इतना culture actual में कहाँ कबाड़ खाने में रह रहे हैं. First day and we are actually loving it. So yeah. Let's see how it goes.
Go.
Watching sunset at Qutub Minar, we came to this nearby cafe which was South Indian. Obviously, the first thing that came out of our mouth were हमें तो डोसा इडली नहीं खाना है. We were just here for water and some refreshments. हमारे next table में एक very kind Punjabi family बैठे थे who were guiding us and telling us where all we can explore for good food in Delhi. So as you could see, before this we were in Qutub Minar and वहाँ पर हमें इतने cute और lovely uncle auntie मिले. They were ready. They were actually giving us their mobile number and calling us to their home ताकि हम जाके कल खाना खा पाए. But I think India के people in general are very sweet, but especially Punjabis, their warmness and everything is unmatchable. Have tiramisu guys from the famous halls. Anjali, are you excited? कुलसुम को हम ये नहीं दिखाएंगे. कुलसुम loves tiramisu guys. We have reached our Airbnb and now it's time to sleep. How was your day, Anjali? But photos तो अच्छा है.
Good start.
Yeah, good start. And a good night. So this is all the skincare that I'm going to be using now. So let's wash this makeup off. वैसे no one has asked, but let me show you my skin routine today. Skin care नहीं बोल रही क्योंकि care तो वैसे करने को time नहीं मिलता है. तो I'll just show you my what all I do tonight. तो first I'm washing my hands because बहुत जगह touch किया है आज, mall, everywhere. We also went to Ambience Mall as you could see. पहले I'll use this face wash from Plum. Now I'll use one moisturizer. From Plum. I love this moisturizer, guys. It's gel based and so lightweight on skin. And we're done. That's it. Face wash and moisturizer at night because I don't think I need anything else. Now let's go to sleep for a minute. Actually we forgot we had tiramisu in the fridge. So उसे खाए बिना तो हमें नींद नहीं आती. Then we went straight away and brought it to our room. This was our day 1 in Delhi. ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो रहा था तो अवार्ड्स डे will be covered in part 2.